The Roman statesman and philosopher Cicero was well known to the founding fathers. In a departure from his Greek predecessor Polybius, Cicero cannot imagine the Roman res publica functioning without an individual sitting at its centre. This is the moderator rei publicae, most often described by Cicero as a helmsman. He pursues the public interests, he prioritises the higher good, and he is an aristocrat. Scholars are currently divided on how exactly Cicero's helmsman fits into the ship of state. Does he exercise sole authority, that is to say, is he the captain? Might he cede authority to another and act under his direction? Is he somehow a leader operating within a model of collegial governance? Cicero also leaves frustratingly vague the foundation upon which this individual's influence rests. Is it tenure of a specific office, his formal potestas, or is moral gravity and virtue as a person, his auctoritas? As we contemplate the state of this American Constitution in this moment, the role that can, could, should, might be played by Cicero's ideal statesman, a man who, it must be said, Cicero crafted to look quite a bit like himself, is thrown into especially high relief.